everyone. My name is Ankita Rani. I am working as an assistant professor in CSE department at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So today we discuss the topic data analytics tools of the subject data analytics, and the subject code is BCA 052. So why we need data analytics tools? What are the use of these tools? So for the purpose of the visualization, the data visualization, for the purpose of the result, we can use the data analysis tools. So whether you are a data analyst or data scientist or business professional, these tools offer cutting edge features and capability to enhance your data analysis and decision making process. So by the help of these tools, you can generate a result, cutting edge result, and you there are a lot of features in these tools. You can generate some graphs, you can generate tables. So discover the right tool for your need and stay ahead in the competitive world of data analytics. So it is very important for choosing the right data analytics tools for the right purpose. So the first data analytics tool is Tableau. Tableau is used to making the table. So in this, the result is shown in the form of the tables. For example, the result is shown in the Excel format. So Tableau is an easy to use data analytics tool, and Tableau has a drag and drop interface which helps to create interactive visuals and dashboards. So with the help of the Tableau, we can create an interactive dashboard uh, by the just simple drag and drop feature. So the many companies and many organizations can use this to instantly develop visuals that can give context and meaning to the raw data. They simply generate the raw data into the tabular format, and so we can easily identify the relevant data through from the raw data through this Tableau tools, and this making the data very easy to understand. Also, due to the simple and easy to use interface, one can easily use this tool regardless of their technical ability. So for that purpose, we don't need any technical language, we don't need any programming language. So this tool can be used by any person because this is easy and simple to understand, because they use the concept of the drag and drop interface. In this, anyone can use this tool by using the feature of the drag and drop. So Tableau comes with a wide range of features and tools that help you to create the best visuals which are easy to understand. So by the use of the table, anyone can understand the data, anyone can easily find out the result. So the advantage of Tableau that overshadow all other is in its quality visuals embedded with interactive information. So this also ensures the quality, but this doesn't mean Tableau is perfect, because it is easy and understand there are some features, some interactive features which are not in the Tableau. So Tableau is only meant for the data visualization. It is only for the data visualization. Visualization means for showing the data. They not process the data. In Tableau, we cannot process the data. So we cannot pre-process data using this tool. Also, it does have a bit of learning curve and it is known for its high cost. So it is some expensive. There are some features of the Tableau. First feature is easy drag and drop interface. Anyone can use this tool for the data visualization purpose. Second is the mobile support for both iOS and Android. Both the operating system and Android or iOS, both they can use. And another feature is the data discovery feature, allow you to find hidden data. So in Tableau, there is a feature which is called data discovery. So with the help of the data discovery, we can easily find out the hidden data. Next is you can use data sources like SQL Server and Oracle. So SQL Server is basically used for the database, and Oracle is also used for the database. So we can use data sources, we can take data from the SQL Server, and we can also take data from the Oracle for the data visualization. So basically Tableau is an easy and simple to understand data analytics tool, and it has a simple drag and drop interface for Tableau. No programming language and no technical knowledge is mandatory. Second tool is the Power BI. Power BI nowadays is very common tool for the data visualization purpose. Many companies, many organizations can use this tool for their data visualization, for their data analytics. So Power BI is a Microsoft data analytics tool, and this tool is provided by the company Microsoft. It provides enhanced interactive visualization and capabilities of business intelligence. So for the purpose of the businesses and for the purpose of the business intelligence, um, they provide the interactive visualization and they provide the interactive dashboard. So Power BI achieve all this while providing a simple and intuitive user interface. So being a product of the Microsoft, you can expect seamless integration with various Microsoft product. So this is the advantage of Power BI. Because it's a product of the Microsoft organization, so they can easily integrate with the Microsoft products like Microsoft Cloud, and for example Microsoft Office. So they can easily integrate with the all the Microsoft products. So it allow you to connect with Excel spreadsheet, cloud-based data source, and on-premises data sources. So for example, we can easily integrate, we can easily connect with the Excel spreadsheet which can create through the Microsoft Office. And cloud-based data sources means the data which are available on the Microsoft cloud, and on-premises data sources, the data which are available in the Microsoft organization. So Power BI is known and loved for its groundbreaking features like natural language queries, Power Query Editor support, and intuitive user interface. In Power BI, we can use the natural language for the processing. And but Power BI does have its downside. It does have its some disadvantage. It cannot handle record that are bigger than the 250 MB in size. So this is the biggest disadvantage of the Power BI, that if we have a file of large size, large data, if we have a large data which has a size large than the 250 MB, so we cannot use Power BI tool for that file. So besides, it has limited sharing capabilities, and you would need to pay extra to scale as per your needs. So there are some features for the Power BI, like is great connectivity with the Microsoft products because it has a Microsoft data analytics tool. Next feature is powerful semantic models. Next is it can meet the both personal and the enterprise need. Like you can use for the personal purpose and you can use for the enterprise. And another feature is the ability to create beautiful paginated reports. So if we want to create a paginated reports, we can create through the Power BI tools. Next is the Apache Spark. Apache Spark tool is used for its speed in data pre-processing, is a data analytics tool. So this tool is used for the data pre-processing. This tool is not only for the data visualization. In Apache Spark, we can also pre-process the data, means we can process, find out the relevant data, important data from the raw data. So, Apache Spark has in memory processing, which makes it incredibly fast, and it is also an open source tool which result in trust and interoperability. So the ability to handle enormous amount of data, Apache makes Spark distinguish. It is quite easy and straightforward to learn, and which is thanks to its API. So it has the ability to process the large data. So we use this tool if we have a large data. But previously, if we talk about the Power BI is not meant for the large data, it is for the small data. But if we are talking about the large data, we can use the Apache Spark data analytics tools. So this doesn't end here. It also has support for a distributed computing framework, because in this we don't have a centralized environment. We have a distributed environment, means if one device is fail, this doesn't mean that the whole system is fail. So Apache Spark does have some drawbacks. It also have some disadvantages, like it does not have an integrated file management system and has fewer algorithm than its competitors. And it also faces the issue if the files are the tiny, because it is for the large files, large data. So if the file is tiny, they face some challenges. So there are some features of that Apache Spark tool. First feature is incredible speed and efficiency, because this is very fast, and this is inbuilt in your memory, and this is the efficient. And second is the great connectivity with support of Python, and great connectivity with Scala, with R programming language, and for the SQL shells. So if you are using the Python, if you are working on the Scala, if you are working on the R, so you can simply use the Apache Spark data analytics tool for the processing of the data. Next feature is ability to handle and manipulate data in real time. This tool is work on the real time. Second is another feature is it can run on many platforms like Hadoop, Kubernetes, Cloud, and it can also work as a standalone. Next tool is the TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a machine learning library, and it is also a Python library, and this is a open source library, was developed by the Google. This is a product of Google and is a popular choice for many businesses looking forward to supporting machine learning capabilities. So if we are working on the machine learning models, you can simply use the TensorFlow data analytics tool, and many businesses can use this technology. So TensorFlow is the first choice of many due to its wide recognition, which result in an adequate amount of tutorial and support for many programming language. And this tool can run on the GPUs and TPUs and making the task much faster. So, but the TensorFlow is difficult for the beginners, and you need coding knowledge, technical knowledge, programming knowledge to use that tool, and it has a steep learning curve. TensorFlow can also be quite tricky to install and configure depending on your system. So it is not much as easy as Power BI, as Tableau. This is not for the beginners. So there are some features of TensorFlow. It support a lot of programming language like Python, C++, JavaScript, and Java, and it can scale as needed with support for multiple CPU, GPU, TPU, and it also offers a large community to solve the problems and issues, and it features a built-in visualization tool for you to see how many models are working. Next tool is Hadoop. Hadoop is a tool which is given by the Apache, is a distributed processing and storage solution, and also used as a data analysis tools. So it is an open source framework that store and process big data with the help of MapReduce model. So if you are working on the big data, if you are using the MapReduce model, we can use the data analytics tools which is called Hadoop. So Hadoop is known for its scalability. We can expand as much as you need. So it is also fault tolerant and can continue even after one or more nodes fail, because it's work on the distributed framework. So if one node fail, you can also continue from the another node. So, being open source, it can be used freely and customized to suit specific needs, and Hadoop also support various data formats. So, but there are also some disadvantage of Hadoop. Hadoop require powerful hardware. So this is the disadvantage for the Hadoop for it to run effectively. So in addition, it features a steep learning curve, making it hard for some users. This is partially because some users find the MapReduce model hard to grasp. So it is, so we are not said that it is not for the beginners. It is difficult for some users, but it is not difficult for another users. So there are all some features of Hadoop is free to use as it is an open source. It is open source. It can work. It can run on the commodity hardware, and it built with fault tolerance as it can operate even when some node fails, and it is highly scalable. Next tool is R. R is an open source programming language which is used for the statistical computing, and data analytic can be considered as a data analysis tools. So this programming language can also use as a data analysis tool. It is known for the handling the large data sets and its flexibility. So this is for the large data. So the package library of R has a various packages. So R allow the user to manipulate and visualize the data. R also has package for things like data cleaning. If we want to data cleaning, if we want to work on the machine learning, if we use the natural language processing, then you can use the R. So R isn't perfect, also has some disadvantage, means R is slower than the other programming language like C++, Java. So R is slower as compared to the C++ and Java. And features, there are some features of ability to handle large data set, flexible to be used in many areas like data visualization, data pre-processing, features built-in graphics capability for amazing visuals, and it offers an active community to answer questions and helps in problem solving. Next tool is the Python. Python is the another programming language, and which is very common and very well known for any user nowadays. So this also work as a data analysis tools, and this also used for the machine learning purpose. So Python is widely recognized to have easy syntax which make it easy to learn. So along with the easy syntax, package manager of Python features a lot of important packages and libraries, and another reason to use Python is its scalability, means you can expand as much as you want. So this doesn't mean Python is the flawless, this doesn't mean that Python does not have disadvantage. It is quite slow when we compare it to the programming language like Java or C++. Java and C++ both are the very fast programming language. This is because Python is an interpreted language while the other are the compiled language. So Python is also infamous for its high memory consumption. So there are the some features of the Python: easy to learn and user friendly. It is scalable. It has the extensive packages and library that increase its functionality, and it is open source programming language. Another data analytics tool is the SAS. SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System. So this software was developed by the SAS Institute and it is widely used for the business analytics nowadays. So SAS has both a GUI and a terminal interface. So depending on the user's skill set, they can choose either one. So it also has the ability to handle large data set, means we can also process the large data with the help of the SAS. So SAS is equipped with a lot of analytical tools which make it valid for a lot of applications. So SAS is a very powerful, it has a big price tag and steep learning curve. So it is quite hard for the beginners. So the features of the SAS are ability to handle the large data sets, support for GUI and non-GUI, and it features tool to create high quality visualization, and they had a wide range of tools for predictive analysis and statistical analysis. Next tool is ClickSense. So ClickSense is a business tool and data analysis tool that provides support for the data visualization and data analysis. So ClickSense support various data sources from the spreadsheet database and also cloud service. So you can create amazing dashboard and visualizations with the help of the ClickSense. ClickSense also has features like instant search and NLP, but it also have some disadvantages like data extraction of ClickSense is quite inflexible. So inflexibility is the disadvantage. So the pricing model is quite complicated. So there are the features of ClickSense is it tools for stunning and interactive data visualization, and it has a conversational AI powered analytics, and it has a features tool to create high quality visualization, and it provide the click big data index. Next tool is K9. K9 is a analytics platform. K9 is a data analysis tool. It is open source and features an user interface which is intuitive. So K9 is built with the scalability, and it also offered the extensibility via well-defined API plugin. So you can also automate spreadsheets. You can also work on the machine learning and much more using K9. So the best part is you don't even need to code to do all this. They can automatically generate the code. So it has some issues or disadvantage like the abundance of features can be overwhelming to some users. So also the data visualization of K9 is not the best and can be improved. So there are some features of K9 is it has an intuitive user interface with drag and drop function, and it support for the analytics tools like machine learning, data mining and big data processing, and it also provides the tool to create the high quality visualization. So these are the 10 top 10 data analytics tools. Thank you.